Say happy Thursday. So Remy came out and we put bird seed out for the birdies. We did, huh? See, it's been such perfect weather outside except for all the wind. But right now it's pretty calm out, so just out getting some fresh air, looking around. Huh? Where's the birdies? Where's the birdies? There's the doggies. Huh. I hear the birds in the trees. They're waiting for us to walk away. Huh. So we hope you had a wonderful Thursday. Huh. We're so excited. Tomorrow's Friday. Choke on my own spit. Huh. You know you're getting old when you choke on your own spit. Huh, Remy Rose. Remy Rose. Say, it's so nice outside. Say, I love it. I love all you guys. Huh. Mwah. Yes. Say, we love you guys.